Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 16 December 2021. Today's topic is polymorphism. Polymorphism means having many forms. In simple way, we can define polymorphism as ability to message to display in more than one form. The polymorphism is an important concept of OOPS, object-oriented programming. These have multiple forms. For example, real time example, water have many form examples such as liquid, gas, solid. Shapes in shapes, real time example, circle, triangle, rectangle, square. In sound, barking, lion, roar, and so on. And why we polymorphism used? Polymorphism allows to use create a consistent code. There are two types of polymorphism such as compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can achieve polymorphism in Java using following ways: method overriding and method overloading and operator overloading. Compile time polymorphism can achieve by method overloading, and runtime polymorphism can achieve by method overriding. Compile time polymorphism handled by compiler or method overloading can handle by compiler, and runtime polymorphism can by run by JVM, or method overloading can handle by JVM. The difference between method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading, these have same class. This in method overriding, these have same name. In method overloading, these have same name. These have in method overriding, these have same name. In method overloading, these have different arguments. In method overriding, these have same arguments. In example, in a method overloading, we can create two class. In class, that is in class test, that is curly bracket, in void show, then sysout 1, and then void show sysout second, then call main method, then create object by test class is equal to new t class. Then by using uh, t method, we can show we can call the object. Here we problem is compiler, we compile what is the first call the method. The this can advocate error in method overloading. This can problem solved by the we can create different uh, argument in method, such as void show an argument int 1 2 3. The compiler easily call the first method. First, we discussed about method overloading. When there are multiple functions with same name but different parameters, then these functions are said to be method overload. Functions can be overloaded by change in the number of arguments or a change in type of arguments. Example: the first class per in curly bracket, so create method 1 and then method 2, then return is equal to a star b, then main method. Calling by the passing input and arguments, we can easily call the first method. Here is a compile time error in method overloading, because compiler does not mean what we call first. We can easily error, we can easily remove the error by giving argument to second method. And then second type is also known as method overriding, and it means runtime polymorphism. It is known as dynamic method dispatch. In process in which the function called to the override method also resolved runtime by the polymorphism achieved by the method overriding. Method overriding, on the other hand, occurs to derived class by definition of the method functions. These basic functions said to be overridden. Uh, the explanation is here programming when object of child class is created, then the method inside the child class is called. The because of method is a part of class is overridden by the child class. Since the method is overridden and method is overridden, this method has been priority the class method overridden and the priority to body inside the class executed. Thank you.